All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's a play I took today. I would say it's like an A plus setup, but it's not, right? I'll explain why. It's honestly my fault. I'm not gonna sit here and say, oh, I knew where price was gonna go. I really did not. But anyways, as we all know, in like 4 days ago, we switched over to the new contract, right? And I was on NQ1, right? So it doesn't like roll over, it automatically rolls over by itself. But I forgot to have the adjustment button on. So when we click it, look at what happens to the chart over here. Hold on, let me pull up OBS so you can see. Yeah. Okay, boom. Right. We left this perfect equal, or not, they're not like perfect equal lows, but you can see it like relatively equal lows. This is pretty much sell side. On the new contract offer me, this was sell side. We get the point. I'm just gonna explain it from the regular and or like what I was watching, and then yeah, so learn from me. Don't do the same dumb shit I did. Anyways, let's get into this. So market open, it was absolutely shit. So yeah, market open right here. We were consolidating this whole entire, like if we go over to the 1 hour, we were just consolidating in between buy side and sell side. Sell side for me, sell side for me was this 4 hour low right here, and then this was actually a 5 minute gap that I can, let's see. It's a 5 minute gap right here. Yeah, right there. Now, market opened. We chopped around, finally came down, took out that 4 hour low or that sell side, even though it really wasn't sell side because we put it down. Sell side's actually like all the way down here. So yeah, we took out sell side and I was like, all right, let's see if we get, V shape up, or like, are we going to target these highs, maybe this buy side, whatever. No, we did not. We just sat there, consolidated. We made this 5 minute rejection block, and I was like, all right, we'll see what happens. I want to see price at least come into it. We get a V shape up. We had almost a play. Where was it? This was forming, and then out of nowhere, this candle just pumped up. Actually, I did not even show you guys a trade. Yeah, here's a trade. Here's the executions right here. You can see we'll go on to that in a little bit. But yeah, we really never got anything. We just consolidated. On ES, there was this short setup. Or did I delete it? Yo, I low-key think I deleted it. I did delete it. Fuck. Okay, there was like a short setup. Because we had this SMT right here. So from these highs up to these highs, delivering off a 15-minute gap. It was like a 3 minute inverse of the downside. This, you would have hit take profit, but like NQ was more bullish. Actually, no, NQ, I don't know. NQ was just chopping around. ES was a more bearish pair. So it was this SMT right here and then down here. So yeah, you could have taken that short. I personally would have probably gone break even at a 1-to-1, because if we go over to the 3 minute, you would have taken it off this. Yeah, I would have gone break even somewhere. Wait, so this is, no. So you would have taken it off here. Yeah, I would have gone break even somewhere around here. This is a 1-to-1, and then this is like a, I think almost a 2R play, but yeah. Anyways, back to NQ. We came into that rejection block. We took out that candle that took we took out that low that took out sell side, right? And then we got this 2 minute inverse right here. If we go over to NQ did not have this 2 minute gap, actually, did it? What was it? Oh no, it did have that gap. Was it on the 3 minute where it bugged out? There was actually a trade. It might have been on the 1 minute. No way they fixed it. Oh, it was right here actually. So off this 1 minute gap, right? It looks like there's a gap here. It's a tiny gap. On actual NQ, there's no gap because of this wick. So took it off the 2 minute. Dude, why is my chair like squeaking? Let's go over here. Took it off the 2 minute. Break even was, but on the 1 minute, yeah. Break even was when we pushed up and closed above this gap, right, or above that rejection block. We close above it, move stops to break even. First take profit right here. Second take profit at these like low resistance, I guess, or relatively equal highs. right here. And then we ended up coming up, taking this out. Did we ever take out buy side? No, not yet. Okay, so yeah, we never ended up coming and taking that buy side out. But to our play, yeah, to our play, it's A plus if we didn't leave that. Let's see, it's A plus if we did not leave that's outside, right? But because we did leave relatively equal lows right here, terrible fucking trade. Learn from me, do not take this because like this is literally like 50-50. Like you take the trade, either you hit take profit or you get stopped out. So it's like dumb shit like this. So yeah, learn from me. Make sure that this button is always on unless you're switching over to contracts, which I believe right now it's NQU, right? NQU. Is it this? Yeah, it is. Okay. So if we go over here, this is the correct contract right now up until September, what is it, 20th? Something like this. So yeah, same shit here. But yeah, that's pretty much the trade recap from today. Good trade. But yeah, that was just very dumb of me. So learn from my mistakes. Other than that, I mean, I have nothing else. Yeah, here is the trade. See, it's so weird why it doesn't want to pull it up. Hold on, if I go like this, I want to see if I can see I can. Okay, here it is. This is the ES trade I was actually talking about. We had that SMT delivering off a 15-minute gap. 3-minute inverse. You could have taken the 1 minute, gotten a better RR, because this is like a 1, yeah, it's a 1 to 1.91. So you could have taken it right here. Realistically, yeah, 1 to 2. But if you took it off this 1 minute inverse, I don't know. I probably would have gone break even here. But like, why you're taking a short into another 1 minute gap. But yeah. Anyways, that's going to do it for today. I appreciate you guys for watching this trade recap. If you haven't followed all the social medias, join Traders Corner. I will see you guys whenever I take a trade next.